Self-service automation is now available with Ansible Automation Platform 2.6. Organizations have often struggled with how to scale automation across the entire enterprise and make automation accessible to different users within different teams within the organization. This new self-service automation portal capability empowers organizations to scale automation across the entire enterprise, making it accessible to any persona, whether they're a domain subject matter expert, whether they're an automation expert, whether they're a business line user, or even a non-technical user. Self-service automation makes it easy for them to be able to leverage automation across the entire organization. So how does a platform administrator do this? They leverage Ansible Automation Platform to make this automation content accessible in the self-service automation portal. A user, in this example, a network subject matter expert, will log into the self-service portal with the same credentials that they would log in to Ansible Automation Platform. They're going to see a very simple user interface with a very simple experience, just with the automation tiles that they would need to execute and run. The network subject matter expert, in this case, wants to run a network backup. They don't need to know the details of Ansible Automation Platform. They just want to run the jobs that are necessary for them. Let's touch on some of the benefits. A platform administrator can easily provide a consistent, controllable experience to any of the users that want to run automation. A subject matter expert gains access to run the automation that they need, and automation teams reach new levels of adoption and scale within the organization. All the content that's in Ansible Automation Platform today will automatically synchronize to the self-service portal. Self-service automation leverages Ansible Automation Platform authentication and the access management capabilities. The same security controls and access management capabilities transfer over, simplifying this for an administrator and for the end user as well. Another capability is the ability to define custom templates. You take advantage of custom templates to further enhance the workflows as part of those templates, and have smart forms in which you can include conditionals and dynamic menus. This enhances workflows beyond traditional surveys. A platform administrator takes advantage of existing role-based access controls and existing authentication methods and makes that available to the end users. These end users, subject matter experts, are able to run automation in a simple user interface without having to know anything about the nuts and bolts of Ansible Automation Platform. As an administrator, you leverage the role-based access control capabilities with teams and roles and users. And in this case, I have a couple of teams here called Cloud Team, Network Team, and the RHEL Linux team. Each include their own roles, as well as automation content that's accessible through these roles, and users who are members of these teams. In the self-service automation portal, the administrator obviously sees all the content and can filter on any of that content using tags. The administrator can also at any time trigger a synchronization of teams and users in addition to automation job templates. A network SME logs into the self-service automation portal. They only see content that's granted to them through the role-based access controls. A Red Hat Enterprise Linux SME logs into the self-service automation portal. They also only see content that's granted to them through the role-based access controls. The RHEL subject matter expert wants to launch an automation job to start a service on their RHEL servers. They select the desired fields and trigger the automation. Momentarily, you'll notice that the automation job has completed successfully. That's how easy it is to scale the adoption of automation in your organization. Get started with Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform today.